We are going to discuss about the mirror formula. See here, what is mirror formula? A formula which gives the relationship between image distance, object distance and focal length. So that is called mirror formula. So see here, what is mirror formula? 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. This is the mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Here what is U? U is object distance from pole. Object distance from pole of mirror. What is V? V is what? V is image distance. Image distance from pole of mirror, and F is focal length. Focal length of mirror. So this is actually mirror formula. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Here I will show what is U, what is V and what is F. Suppose I have taken a concave mirror. This is object I have placed where image will form. By the rule, if we will see, image will form here. This is the image. A dash B dash is the image. The distance from object from pole, this distance from here to here, this is U. This distance is U. Object distance. Here image is formed. Distance from here to here, from pole, this is V. And this distance FP, this is focal length F. You can see here what is U. U is distance BP. BP is U. What is image distance? V is B dash P, and focal length is FP. F is focal length FP. See here, further we will see about the sign conversion when we are taking positive, when we are taking negative. I will discuss after it. The image distance means distance of image from the pole. Object distance mean distance of object. All length we are taking along the principal axis. So what will be the mirror formula? 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. We will check about the sign conversion when we have to take where we have to take positive, where we have to take negative. See here a sign convention for spherical mirror for the mirror formula. The first thing what you have to remember, all the distances are measured from pole. When we will apply mirror formula, the first thing, all distances we will take from the pole. The pole we can assume as origin. First thing, distance measured in the same direction as that of incident ray. If you are moving from pole in the direction of incident ray, suppose this is pole, if you are moving incident ray in the direction of incident ray, in this direction if you are moving from the pole, so what you have to take? You have to take is positive. So you can see this is the pole. If you are measuring distance in this direction from the pole, so in this direction you have to take what? Positive. Against direction mean opposite direction. If you are moving from the pole, so this is the direction of ray coming. If you are moving towards left in this direction, so what you have to take? The distance you are taking as negative. Next, distance measure upward. If you are moving upward perpendicular to axis, upward if you are moving. Suppose I want to take the length AB from the axis, perpendicular to axis, upward. This is we have taken axis. So if you are moving upward, you have to take positive, and downward you have to take negative. So you can see here, if I will see in this figure, the u object distance we are taking in left hand side, so you have to take negative. Image formed left hand side, in this figure you can say v is also negative, and focal length, it is also lying in the left hand side, this is also negative. So say here pole you have to take as origin. If you are moving right hand direction, if you are measuring any length, so this will positive. Left hand direction, because rays are coming from left to right, so in left hand side all measuring length will be negative. Upward you will take positive, downward you will take negative. You can see in this figure, if concave mirror I have formed a real image, so what we have seen, u will be negative, v image is formed left hand side from the pole, this is also negative, f is also negative. I have taken one more example for convex mirror. I have formed here image. So here you can see, and this is the pole. If you are measuring length from pole to what direction of incident ray, mean right hand, the right hand direction measurement is positive. Here you can see image is from right hand direction, this will be the image distance. So here image distance v will be positive. Focal length also in the right hand direction, so focal length is also positive, but object is in left hand side. Object we are measuring against the direction of rays, this is the direction of rays we are moving against, so here you can say u is the negative. So distance, actually what we are doing, so we have to take this sign convection for the mirror formula. So here you can say, if always we are putting object in left hand side, rays are coming from the object from left to right, so left hand distance generally we will take negative. Mean all the cases what happen, if you will see in all cases, the u we will take negative, in all cases. Focal length, if you will see, the focal length for concave mirror, it is lying left hand side, so f is what, negative for concave mirror, and for convex mirror focal length is lying in right hand side, so what happen, focal length will be positive for convex mirror. If you will go for the u generally u will be negative, f will be negative for concave mirror, and f will be positive for convex mirror, because it is lying in right hand side, or we can say it is the direction, same direction as incident ray, that's why f is positive for convex mirror. While we are applying the formula, mirror formula, what is mirror formula? Mirror formula I have told, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. So what we have to take, u you have to take as negative. If concave mirror they have given, so f you will take negative. If convex mirror they have given, f you will take positive. In the case of v, you will see, in the convex mirror always image is formed in right hand side, there is virtual image, they are always forming in right hand side. So in case of convex mirror v will be always positive. v की वैल्यू बेटा हमेशा कैसी होगी, अगर हम बात करेंगे तो v ऑलवेज कैसा आएगा, रिजल्ट पॉजिटिव आएगा in the case of convex mirror. But when we will talk about the concave mirror, here you can see image is formed in left hand side, so v negative. So if real image formed, or you can say we have told in 5 cases real image formed, in 1 case they are forming virtual image. In 5 cases what it will come, 5 केसेस के लिए क्या होगा बेटा, निगेटिव आएगा कॉन्केव मिरर. 5 cases mean you will talk about the real image. रियल इमेज के लिए v का मान कैसा आएगा बेटा, निगेटिव. एंड 1 केस इफ विल टॉक concave mirror when object is kept between f and p, in that case what happen, concave mirror के लिए यानी वर्चुअल इमेज के लिए it will come positive. तो वर्चुअल इमेज के लिए what you will see, that image will comes image will form right hand side, that time we will take as positive. तो बच्चों एकदम क्लियर तुम्हारे दिमाग में होना जाना चाहिए कि always what you have to take, you will take as negative in all cases, and focal length if will take for concave mirror it will take as negative, convex mirror के लिए focal length you will take positive, and v image distance क्या होगा बेटा, convex mirror के लिए always it comes positive, but when we will talk about the concave mirror, so if real image will form, the image will be the towards the object, or you can say left hand side, it will be negative. And in one cases when object is kept between the focus and pole, that time image will form virtual, it form in right hand side, opposite side of the object, that time, or you can say back side of the mirror, that time v will be positive. In a virtual case concave mirror v will be positive. So this is the sign convention for spherical mirror. One numerical problem I have taken on the mirror formula. An object is kept at distance 30 cm from a concave mirror whose focal length is 20 cm. Find position of image and also draw a rough diagram. See here what they have given, distance 30 cm. This is object distance. Object distance, that is u they have given 30 cm. See here what I have told, object is keeping your left hand side. What happen, you have to take as negative, so u will be minus 30 cm. What is the focal length? Here they have given concave mirror. So concave mirror focal length is taken, this is also lying in the left hand side, or you can say focal length is towards the object. What happened, this you have to take in as negative because it is concave mirror. I have told you concave mirror focal length will be negative and convex mirror focal length will be positive. So see here, what will be the position of image? So by mirror formula 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. 1 upon v, u is minus 30, 1 upon f is minus 20. If you solve it, this you have taken right hand side to minus 1 upon 20. This minus plus minus it will go, that become positive. If we take LCM is 60, 23 is minus 3, 32 is plus 2. So that will come minus 1 upon 60. The 1 upon v is equal to minus 1 upon 60 implies that v is equal to कितना आएगा बेटा, minus 60 cm. Negative sign indicates that image will form towards the left hand side. ठीक है, or you can say image will form towards the object. Where object you have kept, that side image will form. They have said draw a rough diagram. If I want to sketch a rough diagram, see here I am drawing a rough diagram for this situation. See here focal length is 20, so this suppose I have taken 20, just double, there will be the center of curvature. This is about 20 centimeter and object is 30. So see here, this is 20, so then Here we can say this will be the 30 centimeter. Here object we have kept. So what will be the image formation? See, I have told you parallel lines, they will pass through the focus and center of curvature, that will reflected back from the same path. If you will see, they will intersect somewhere. If you will measure this length, this suppose this is AB, image will form B dash A dash. If you will measure this length, this is about this will be 60 centimeter. So here roughly I have shown in the figure, this is 30, U is 30, this is 20, and this is 60 centimeter. One more example I have taken. An object is kept at distance 20 cm from a convex mirror. This time I have taken convex mirror whose focal length is 30 cm. Find the position of image and draw also rough diagram. See here, they have given object distance, that always you have to take negative, use -20. Convex mirror, the focal length lies in right hand side. That's why you have to take it positive. So focal length will be plus 30 cm. Why? This is convex mirror. For convex mirror, focal length we are taking positive. The mirror formula. Mirror formula. So what is mirror formula? 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. 1 upon V, U is -20, F is plus 30. Solve it. 1 upon V, this you will take right hand side, so 1 upon 30, minus plus minus, minus goes right hand side, this become plus. Take LCM, 60, 32 za, 23 za, 5 upon 60, so 1 upon V comes 512 ja. This is 1 upon 12, implies V is equal to plus 20 cm. Image distance will be plus 12 cm. Sorry, 12 cm. Positive sign indicates that image will form in right hand side or back of the mirror. So if you draw a roughly diagram, see here, I am tracing one roughly diagram. See, focal length is 30, this is 30, so just double. This is focus F, it is at 30 centimeter distance. 100% center of curvature will be at 60 centimeter. So this will be, because center of curvature is just double, R is twice of F. This 30, so you can say here 30, so you can say here at 20 cm I have taken this object, this is 20 cm, the U is 20. If you are forming the image, parallel rays will go after reflection, it are appearing that it is coming from the coming from focus, like that it will come after reflection. And one there is center of curvature. If you will see here, along center of curvature, it will reflected back on the same path. So this is the reflected rays. Their appearance is there, they are intersecting at somewhere. So this is the object AB, the image will be A dash, B dash. If you will measure the distance from here to here, so this will come 12 cm. So by figure you can see that image will form at 12 cm towards right hand side. So by two questions I have explained how we are using the mirror formula, and after that we will tell about the magnification.